Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Fa-la-la-la Fishstick from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of his head, and for his eyes, an arch curved line at that corner, and another arch curved line sideways on the left side of that right there. Now for the lower line of his eye on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally across to the right there. Below the eye, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards right there, and inside of the eye in the middle point and slightly to the left, I'm going to draw a small circle. And on the lower left corner of that circular shape, I'm gonna draw another slightly bigger circular shape and fill that in with black color. And I'm gonna mirror the whole eye shape on the right side. Below the eye at the outer corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn inwards diagonally to the middle point, and at the middle point I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there and a line downwards inside of that in the middle point. I'm going to trace the same outline at the side of his face at this outer corner, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side here as well. Below the rectangular shape in the middle, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line outwards and to the left, sideways to the left, and turn it back diagonally upwards. Mirror that same shape on the right side right here. Now for his mouth, in the middle of his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, a circular turn at the side of the mouth back to the left, curved line across, circular turn back upwards and to the right on the left corner. Inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw another curved line across in the middle point. At the side of his eye, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards, a U semicircular turn to the right and turn it back upwards. Inside of that shape, a curved line upwards in the middle point. I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side right here. Now for his head, I'm gonna draw above the eye a diagonal line upwards and slightly outwards, sharp turn back diagonally down to the middle point on the right, and upside down V shape at that corner to the right, and repeat the same shape across this upper point to the right side. And I'm gonna mirror the diagonal line on the right side right there. Above that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the left corner right there and another one on the right side. Above that, in the middle point, another similar circular shape. Below the circular shape on the lower left corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the left. Continue that diagonal line upwards. Above that, an arch curved line across to the right and turn it diagonally back downwards on the right side right there. From the side of the tip on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line right there, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the left, a U turn upwards on the left corner, diagonal line back upwards. Above that, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, turn it sideways to the left, semicircular turn back to the right, turn it upwards, an arch curved line back downwards, curved line downwards. Below that, an arch curved line to the right at that corner, diagonal turn upwards and to the right, an arch curved line across and turn it back diagonally downwards. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that corner, And at that ending point, a diagonal line to the right and downwards. A U turn to the left and turn it back diagonally upwards at that corner. On the left side of that, a curved line across. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leg at that corner and the front leg right there. Below the head, I'm gonna draw from the side a semicircle line across from the left and turn it back upwards on the right side. At the side of that, a curved line diagonally outwards, sharp turn back inwards, a V shape to the middle point at that corner, like that. And I'm gonna mirror the same set of shape on the right side right here. Below that, on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards and down, and flare it back outwards above the belt right there, and semicircle turn back inwards. Curved line across to the right at that corner, and on the right side of the belt right there, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape for the pouch. And inside of that, at the upper corner on the left, a line sideways to the right, turn it downwards all the way to this lower point. On the right side of that line, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a V shape right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the pouch again at the outer corner on the right side right here. For the lower line of the belt, I'm gonna draw at this lower point another curved line right there and a line downwards on the left corner. For the buckle of the belt, a diagonal curved line to the middle point. Mirror that same diagonal curved line at this lower point. Trace the same set of line again on the left side. Turn it sideways on the left corner, and on the left side of that, a line downwards and another line downwards. Above the pouch on the right side, I'm gonna flare it out with a curved line, semicircle turn back inwards, and curved line upwards above that. At that ending point, a curved line diagonally inwards and semicircle turn upwards. In the middle of his outfit, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there for the buttons and another one inside of that. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw some black dots like that, and I'm gonna repeat that same shape at this lower point. Above the belt at the side, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, semicircle turn diagonal to the middle point and up, across in the middle point, and mirror the same shape on the right side right here. Along that line, I'm gonna draw some short lines across at that corner, another one there, and another one at this upper corner. On the right side at this corner, slightly on the right side of that, another one at that corner, and below that. Now below the belt, I'm gonna draw at the side a curved line downwards, flare it slightly out, sharp turn back diagonally upwards to the right, V shape to the right, turn it diagonally to the right, sharp turn back upwards, diagonal line to the right, and sharp turn upwards to the lower points of the pouch. Along the edges below that shape, I'm gonna draw the same zigzag line across right there. Now for his arm on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner, and curved line downwards below the elbow point, flare it outwards below the elbow point, and turn it back inwards at his knuckle. On the left side of that, a curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the left. On the left side of that, I'm gonna copy the same shape again, Sharp turn upwards at the inner corner of that hand. Turn it diagonally inwards to the left. Curve line downwards to the tip of his thumb. Sharp turn back upwards and turn it outwards towards his wrist. And above the wrist, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards. Turn it diagonally to the left at his upper point, right there. Inside of the arm, I'm going to trace the outline of the arm at this inner corner, all the way to the side of his thumb right there, and another one at this right corner, all the way to the middle point of his finger, and another one to the other corner right there. Now for his pants at the side, I'm gonna draw on the right a curved line to the hand, and below the thumb a diagonal line inwards to the left. Semicircular turn diagonally back outwards and turn it back inwards to the left. Curved line downwards, flare it out with a curved line. Semicircular turn to the left, across with a curved line. Semicircular turn back upwards and flare it out, and turn it back inwards. Above that, a curved line upwards to the middle point. Semicircular turn to the left right there. For the left side of the pants, a diagonal curved line out and downwards that corner. Turn it back inwards. Semicircular turn back diagonally outwards and turn it back inwards at its lower point. Below that, a curved line downwards, flare it out with a curved line and turn it back inwards to the right. Curved line across to the right. Semicircular turn back upwards and slightly inwards, and curved line upwards above that to the middle point. From the inner corner of the leg, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the outer corner on the left right there. Semicircular turn upwards. Along that line, I'm gonna draw some short lines across right there. I'm gonna repeat that same shape on the right side right here. For the stripe pattern on his pants, I'm gonna draw a line downwards in the middle point off center on the left right there, and another one on the right side. Repeat that same stripe pattern at the side right here, and another one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And below the pants at the side, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right. Curved line across below that. I'm going to copy the same shape on the left side right here. Below the pants on the right side, from the inner corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally to the right and turn it downwards. Flare it out at the ankle point right there and turn it back inwards below the ankle point. Semicircular turn back outwards at that corner. Semicircular turn to the right at that point, and semicircular turn upwards and turn it back to the left at that corner. Sharp turn downwards with a curved line and curl it up on the left corner right there. On the right side of that, at this upper corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards to the left, flare it out with a diagonal curved line, turn it back inwards, and curved line back outwards to the right. Semicircular turn back inwards to the side of his knee and curved line upwards. Along the lower leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across all the way to the ankle point. For the left leg, I'm gonna take the outer corner and draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn diagonally to the right, and curved line downwards, slightly turn it to the left. Flare it out at the ankle point right there. Semicircle turn diagonally inwards below the ankle point. Semicircle turn back to the left with the curve line. Turn it diagonally downwards and curl it upwards at that corner. Curve line downwards below that and turn it back to the right and arch curve line in the middle of the foot right there. Curve line across and semicircle turn upwards at the heels. Curve line upwards at that corner. Flare it out on his calf and turn it back inwards at the knee point. I'm gonna copy the same patterns on his lower legs on the left side right here. Now for his left arm, I'm going to draw a curved line out from the sleeve, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner, turn it diagonally to the knuckle, semicircle turn downwards at that corner, semicircle turn diagonally to the right, sharp turn upwards, and turn it to the right at his upper corner. Turn it downwards to the tip of the thumb and sharp turn back diagonally upwards on the right corner right there. Semicircle turn upwards to his wrist and diagonal line back upwards all the way to the sleeve at that corner. For the patterns on his hand, I'm gonna copy the same patterns as his right arms. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.